The Vice President of the BCCI will present limited edition watch, the Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Can Andy Flower, the coach, collect the award on behalf of the whole team? And now Mr. Devjit Saikia, Honorary Secretary of the BCCI. The winners...
Well, Rajat, you can afford to smile. Has it sunk in? First ever trophy in 18 years of IPL cricket. And you're the captain in your first year. So has the penny dropped? Has it sunk in?
I think it is really special for me and special for Virat Kohli and all the fans. Those who have supported from years. So I think they all deserve it.
You've had a very consistent season, but when did it actually cross your mind that you have a chance of actually winning the trophy? At what stage of the IPL?
I think you're talking about this game.
No, the IPL. Which stage did you think that you can actually win the IPL?
I think after the eliminator qualifier one, I think qualifier one, I think at that time we thought that I think we can do this season.
And when you were restricted to 190, you thought that was par for the...
Good on this track because it was a bit slow and the way bowler executed their plans, so that was tremendous to watch.
Now, inspiring move to give Krunal Pandey the ball at that stage, and Krunal Pandey, and he did a fabulous job. What a spell for him. 4 overs, 2 for 17.
Of course, he's a wicket-taking bowler. Whenever I come under pressure, I look very scapey. So I had a lot of belief in him, and with KP, I think Suyash also bowled really well throughout the season, and all the bowlers, fast bowler, Bhuvi, Yash, Hazelwood, and the way Romario came in and the way he gave 2-3 overs and that breakthrough, I think that was really special.
You mentioned Virat Kohli, 18 years with the same franchise, and under your captaincy wins it now.
I think for me it's a great opportunity, to do captaincy under him, and it was a great learning for me. Virat Kohli and all the fans, and after that I think everyone who has supported, everyone, the management, support staff, coaching staff, I think the way they have supported every player, I think that was beautiful.
I'm not going to take your time. It's your night. Many congratulations. You can go now and lift the IPL trophy for the first time.
I just want to say one line for the fans. E Sala Kab Nandu.
ये उस जिद की जीत है, ये जीत है हर उस फैन के भरोसे की, उस टीम के भरोसे की, विराट कोहली के भरोसे की, जिनके सपने कभी रिटायर नहीं होते। रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु के फैंस ने कितनी दफे ये सपना देखा है। 18 साल से 18 नंबर जर्सी वाले विराट कोहली के हाथों में इस टाटा आईपीएल ट्रॉफी का सपना देखा है। आज अहमदाबाद के नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम पर जहां सपने टूटे पहले, आज एक सपना साकार हुआ है। रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु का सपना साकार हुआ है। इस साल कप निम्बू आरसीबी फैंस व्हाइट फील्ड से इंदिरा नगर, कोरमंगला से एमजी रोड और खत्म करेंगे। ये जश्न जारी रहेगा। उस बैच पर, रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु के उस बैच पर उस सिद्ध ने एक सितारा लगा दिया है। 2025 के चैंपियंस रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु। बहुत चैलेंजेस, रॉयल चैंपियंस बेंगलुरु। ये शोर, ये जोर पकड़ेगा। 18 साल का इंतजार खत्म हुआ है। बहुत सालों से कितनी दफे उन टूटे सपनों के हिस्सों को बटोर कर रखा है उन फैंस ने। चैंपियंस बेंगलुरु ने रजत पाटीदार पहला सीजन बतौर कप्तान चैंपियन। 18 नंबर जर्सी वाले विराट कोहली आज चैंपियंस बनकर हुआ है मुकम्मल। ये जश्न जारी रहेगा आरसीबी फैंस, ये सपना नहीं, ये सच्चाई है। दो 2008, 9, 10, 11 राजस्थान डेक्कन चार्जर्स, चेन्नई, कल 17 में फिर मुंबई, 18 में फिर